How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and today we're going to the Knoxville Auto Show. So we got Hunter and Ivy over there. I'm with Babe, and we're waiting on my dad. Come on, Dad. But anyways, look at that second gen right there. Dually, single cab, flatbed. It looks like it's on Alcoas. I think that's what they're called. Probably 22s, but it looks really, really daggum good for that second gen. But anyways. So we're waiting on my dad, and hopefully, we'll start heading out here soon, but there's been some major flooding. We've had rain for, what, a week straight, pretty much? So we're waiting on that, or not waiting on that. So we might be doing a little bit of flood vlog today, I'm not sure, but the rain is so bad that it might be too dangerous to go across the flooded roads because the ground is so soft, it's not even funny. So, we'll see. But yeah, we'll bring you all along. All right, guys, so we have made it through the Watergeddon. Hunter took us on a back road, nearly killed both of us.
Excuse me, all four of us, Josh?
Yes. I was just combining. So
oh, sorry.
And then, are you all cold?
A little bit.
Okay. They've got the new Jeep truck here, the Gladiator. Oh, this thing is so badass. Oh, I love it. Oh, that looks so good.
So, hey, look, we got room here.
Yeah, we do.
Y'all are the cutest couple I've ever seen.
Look at this thing right here. This thing is ugly.
Hey, Hunter, I can see you driving that.
Right? I drive. Wow. $7,000. I think that's what that's.
No, it's tax credit.
Oh, okay.
Guys, yeah, I think I might find my next truck. I like this a lot.
We're coming out with a diesel next year.
You say our bullet.
What did you say, Josh?
V8.
5.7.
V8.
Bulletproof, Josh.
I know.
I have a 5.7.
Do you?
I wonder which one will win in a race.
Oh.
That would actually be interesting.
That would be actually interesting to see.
Lay it back, Hunter. Lay it back. There you go. Perfect.
Currently Monday, and look what we've got. Sunshine. That is right, guys. It's finally nice out. Thank the Lord it's nice out. So right now I'm actually heading up to Norris Dam. You all have seen Norris Dam, but the water's coming over the top of the dam. That's how much freaking rain we've got. Like some places, people's houses are up underwater for the second floors in some places. I mean, it's absolutely nuts how much water we've gotten. So right now we're heading that way, and right now I've got in front of me I think I know who it is, a very, very, very stance Tacoma. Yep, I know who that is. I know exactly who that is. So, heading up to the dam right now, gonna check that out. It's gonna look so badass, cannot wait to get there. And, we'll go from there. We got the dam in front of us, and it's going over big time. Holy crap. That's a lot of water. We've got so much damn rain these past week and then this past month basically. It's been unreal. Holy crap, there's a cop right there. I hope to God the cop lets us park kind of next to it so I can get a picture of it. That is absolutely crazy how much water is right there. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the vlog, but I'm going to talk to you about some stuff first. By the time this video's up, I'll either be heading down there or coming back from meeting with Harper Tire, with Trip, Colt, Trip's family, you know, whole 9 yards. It's my wheel and tire sponsorship if you don't know. Link will be down in the description, of course, for them. I'll be down there in Noonan doing some photo shoots, video shoots. Of course, vlogs will be coming up very soon on that. But that's what's going on right now with that. But we're just gonna get some stuff done, like event schedules and stuff like that. But anyways, I want to talk to you all about Trucks and Water and the future of Trucks and Water. With the past few couple months with the whole job site like winding down and the stress of that and all that other stuff, I mean, not uploading much. I've been thinking a lot about what I want to do with Trucks and Water, where I want to go from here. I'm gonna keep it the same to where there'll be truck reviews, you know, product reviews, you know, install and stuff. But try to brand Trucks and Water be more of a like a lifestyle rather than just trucks and parts. I want to do more vlogging like I've done with like what you see when coming up with Noonan and all that stuff. I want to do stuff more like that. And of course there'll be events and stuff like that. But I'm only going to do some main events this year. I'm not going to all the events I could go to. It's just that it's really time consuming, a lot of money, and it's all the same thing over and over and over again, unfortunately. If I have an event contact me and want to bring me down there to film, I'd be more than happy to do that. But the travel expense of doing that is a lot. If you all film and do photography and travel for that, you all understand that and what I'm talking about. But I want to do more of that. And, you know, of course, with the truck and everything, like the front end rebuild is happening right now as we speak. I'm getting price quotes and stuff. I'm getting all that taken care of to where I can hit it hard at once and hopefully crank it all out. The future of the truck, of course, I'm going to keep it on the channel. I'm not getting rid of the K1500. There's been a lot of rumors and speculation of me getting rid of it, and that's not going to happen. So, with that being said, though, I want to thank you all so much for the support over January and February. I know I've talked about this in previous videos, but you all are the reason why Trucks and Water is where it is. And I can't thank you all enough for that. Without you all, Trucks and Water would not be what it is. It would be nowhere near as big as it is, and the family and all that other stuff. It's just unreal the support you all give me, even when it was hard for me to upload thanks to school and work and all that other stuff. So I want to thank you all for that. Merchandise, I want to hear you in the comment section down below. Do you all want decals or t-shirts? Let me know which direction you want. I'm thinking you all probably want more decal wise. I'm trying to get that situated, guys. It's been a frustrating battle right now. Try and get that straightened out, but I appreciate this patience on that, guys. Thank you all so much for that. But that's what I'm thinking about the trucks with Trucks and Water right now. It's kind of not technically a whole rebranding, but a little bit of a rebrand to where I can. It's not necessarily more personable, but it's more of a lifestyle type thing, if that makes any sense. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing and changing and trying new and better things. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.